Sex, money, and drugs. Sex, money, and drugs. Sex, money, and drugs. Jezebel and sex, money, and drugs. Now listen. This young lady here has more than just her block to fear. It's the world, my dear. My dear, do you not see that the block that you walk your hips, show off your tips, and smack your lips is the devil's feast? At least you know to use protection. And condoms ain't that only selection, 'cause some of these niggas get wild, and you ought to show them the Smith & Wesson. The hood's Jezebel. Jezebel. She's jazzy, but you tempt her, and she'll give your ass hell. But she isn't content of the fact alone that is not just where her hell is, but her hell is her home. And her body, ooh, her body is just not her own. Sex, money, and drugs. Sex, money, and drugs. Sex, money, and drugs. Jezebel, 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 why do you give them sex and take their money, Jezebel? She answers me back with a smirk on her face, 'cause the drugs keeps her higher than her hell. Oh, poor Jezebel.